Thank you very much for
Hello.
coming by. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Maybe Rick, maybe just quickly introduce yourself to our online audience here.
Sure. My name is Rick Hart. I'm the Director of Technology Solutions with BioStorage Technologies.
Okay.
And we got introduced to Denodo a few years ago with our relationship with you. It took a couple years to convince us, but we finally got there. But some of the key reasons for utilizing Denodo is that we produce a informatics product. And in that informatics product, we need to be able to take data and blend it together. But we don't want to pick up our customers' data, lift it and shift it and put it into a different data repository. So data virtualization allows us to simply go at the data source, grab it, pull it together, and it's magic.
Now, is this a sort of a new value add? You know, because in the past you were just sort of...
Very good question, yes. BioStorage Technologies is a service company. We manage biological samples. We essentially have an inventory management system these freezers that manage these biological samples throughout the world, in North America and in Europe and Asia. So that's the core of our business is sample management services. But we saw a need to take the data that we have associated with those biological samples, this valuable data that is this information that could be then turned into intelligence as you combine them to the other data sets. So what do I mean by that is you take a simple sample. It's all about the sample.
Right.
Where'd that sample come from? Is it animal? Is it human? If it's human, do I have consent to use it? What was that person like? Did they smoke? How old were they? Where did they live? All these different criteria can be mined and looked at and determined how we can basically repurpose these biological samples and create a better science.
And essentially create a new revenue stream,
Exactly.
and a new data service differentiator with
Exactly.
the thing. Mining the data, that
Exactly.
you own. Very good. Now at the conference here today, what are some of the things you got out of today's session?
Just my mind's spinning. So it's a great conference. It's really just collaboration. It's an opportunity to talk to your peers that are using data virtualization, see how they're utilizing it in their own companies, and it's also a check to see where we're at as a company compared to others. And I'm very pleased with the conference so far. It's been very good.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
you.
I appreciate it. Thank you
you
for coming by, Greg.